Living in Gainesville comes with many perks: lush greenery, warm sunshine, and a thriving community. But it also comes with a challenge familiar to many homeowners: humidity. Florida's humid climate creates the perfect environment for mold, mildew, and moisture-related problems inside the home. One of the most effective solutions to combat these issues is upgrading to new, modern windows. By improving insulation, ventilation, and sealing, new windows help Gainesville homeowners protect their homes and families from the damaging effects of excess moisture. The link between humidity and mold moisture is the main ingredient for mold growth, and Gainesville's humid climate supplies it in abundance. When warm, moist air leaks through old or poorly sealed windows, it often condenses on cooler surfaces like glass and window frames. Over time, this creates a breeding ground for mold and mildew. Mold not only damages walls, woodwork, and paint, but it can also cause health problems such as allergies, asthma flare-ups, and respiratory issues. Preventing this cycle starts with controlling how moisture enters your home, and windows are a key part of that defense. How new windows minimize moisture: improved sealing and insulation. Modern windows are designed with advanced weather stripping and insulated frames. These features prevent outside air from leaking into your home, reducing condensation buildup on window glass. A tighter seal means fewer opportunities for humid Gainesville air to create moisture problems indoors. Energy-efficient glass double and triple pane windows with low emissivity, low E, coatings keep indoor temperatures more consistent. By reducing the temperature difference between indoor air and the glass surface, condensation is less likely to form. Less condensation means fewer opportunities for mold to thrive. Moisture-resistant materials. Today's replacement windows often feature materials such as vinyl or fiberglass, which resist warping, rotting, and mold growth better than traditional wood. These durable frames stand up to Florida's humidity without breaking down over time, offering both protection and longevity. The benefits for Gainesville homes: healthier indoor air quality by reducing moisture buildup. New windows help prevent mold spores from spreading inside your home. This directly improves indoor air quality and creates a healthier living environment for your family. Protection against structural damage. Moisture doesn't just affect air quality, it can also damage your home. Rotting wood, bubbling paint, and deteriorating drywall are common results of unchecked condensation. With proper window replacement, Gainesville homeowners can safeguard their property against costly repairs. Lower energy bills. Another hidden benefit of new windows is their contribution to energy efficiency. By sealing leaks and reducing the need for your HVAC system to combat humidity and temperature imbalances, you'll enjoy lower monthly utility bills. Choosing the right windows for Gainesville's climate. When selecting replacement windows for your Gainesville home, consider options specifically designed for humid and rainy climates. Double or triple pane glass helps minimize condensation and improve insulation. Vinyl or fiberglass frames resist moisture damage better than traditional wood. Professional installation ensures precise sealing to prevent air and water leaks. Partnering with an experienced local installer is essential, as they understand the unique challenges of Gainesville's climate and can recommend the best solutions for your home. Final thoughts: mold and moisture may be common challenges in Gainesville, but they don't have to take a toll on your home. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows provides a reliable way to reduce condensation, prevent mold growth, and protect your investment. With the right windows and professional installation, you can enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home while gaining peace of mind that your property is safeguarded against Florida's humidity.